Final Cut Pro ships with a lot of really professionally recorded samples, such as Foley, ambient textures, etc. And usually you can just take them and drop them onto your timeline, and they're good to go. But what if you wanted to use them in a different application, like Logic or Pro Tools or something like that? You'd have to actually find the file where it's kept to drop it in there. So the way you do that is you go to Finder, go, Home, into Library, Audio, Apple Loops, Apple. Finally, down here, there's Final Cut Pro sound effects, and they're organized by folder for whatever. Now, a lot of these are going to be CAF files, but that's fine. You can just drag and drop into whatever audio application you're using, and there you go. There's your file.